So today is a snow day. We're staying home all day. We're gonna be cozy and enjoy our house. I actually was sick for at least a week and a half. I got like a really bad flu. I'm still getting over it, but I feel much better. I haven't made any content since November, late November. I had all my things pre-scheduled and pre-planned and ready to go, but then I got sick and I had to take some time away from editing and all that stuff. So I'm gonna spend today and try to like catch up on YouTube planning, fixing my planner, fixing all my content. Yeah. Wash my face, brush my teeth, get myself together. Fun fact, I love a good snow day. Very cozy. Put on your favorite TV show. I just watched this really good movie called Friends We Meet on Vacation on Netflix. It was so good. It was like, it's some parts are like really corny, but overall it was super cute. And then I watched this other rom-com called One Day. It's about a guy and a girl who meet at the last day of college, and it just shows their lives over a period, I think it's 10 years, and how they like fall together. But the ending was like super tragic. But yeah, I've been watching a lot of rom-coms. I'm feeling I don't know. I've always loved rom-coms though. Like out of every movie genre besides like sci-fi, rom-com is probably gonna be like my second guess, my second option. I'm gonna go eat something. Probably gonna cook dinner. Because what else am I gonna do, you know? I don't know what I want to eat though. I have to go take a look in the fridge and see what we're gonna cook tonight. We're gonna put some brown sugar in there. Hope you guys can hear me because I have the vent on, but I've settled on ground beef, broccoli, and spaghetti. Okay, so we are currently in the office. We're gonna start working on our YouTube stuff. It's probably gonna take me a few hours to like pre-plan everything and figure out what I'm gonna film when. I've been on the phone talking to family and friends to see how everybody's doing with the storm. So yeah, watch me work away. Morning vlog. It is the next day. The rest of the night I was on the phone with my friend and I tried to attempt to finish some of my YouTube stuff, but today I spent the first 2 hours shoveling. The storm, I have a list. The snow was up to my knees and it took like 2 hours with me and a couple other people to shovel the whole driveway, brush my car off. My car was completely covered in snow. So that was not fun for me, but it's over now. We're back inside. We're gonna have another snow day, relaxation, regrouping situation. I actually woke up super early this morning, so I have enough time to make breakfast and all that stuff. I'm about to hop in the shower and then we're gonna start our day. When I washed my hair the other day, I tried out the Way shampoo and conditioner. So good, smells so good, and it actually did what it needed to do for my hair. We're just using tried and true Aesop body wash. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I actually just reordered the shampoo and the conditioner because The scent of these things, especially the shampoo and the conditioner, is so amazing. This is a scent that I like. It's the one with mandarin, bergamot, and geranium. So I just finished doing my hair. I didn't do anything crazy just because I was outside in the snow. Like a little bit of my hair started reverting, so I just kind of straightened it out a little bit and put like a little curl. Usually I don't curl this hair. I use flexi rods. Right now I have my hair silk press and then clip-ins. It's been my style for the past couple of weeks and I've been obsessed with it. But yeah, so right now I'm about to go make some breakfast. It just started snowing again. Apparently we're getting another 6 to 10 inches. At this point, I'm over it, but I'm gonna enjoy my snow day otherwise. I'm probably gonna make the usual, like eggs, avocado, toast.
Estava a viver, caminhando na vida, sempre chorando por uma nova ferida. Mas como até que de um mato nasce uma flor, muitas vezes é da dor que vem o amor. Eu que pensava que era um engano, olho seus olhos de luz e vejo um anjo.
Is this thing on? We are now in the office. I am actually uploading the clips from this vlog onto my computer so I can start editing. After that, I'm gonna see if I can finish my Notion. Plan is to be back in full effect by February 27th. I need to go online and find a couch, side tables, dressers. I'm still working on getting this house fixed. I finally finished editing. Right now, we're on to the fun part. We're looking at some inspo for my house because I feel like I have a mixture of design styles that I like. I'm somewhere between like mid-century modern, organic modern, European-ish. So I'm kind of like a combination of all of those styles and of course neutrals. So what I've been doing is going on Pinterest and kind of looking at what stands out to me, because it's different to like, because you can see something and be like, oh my God, I love that. That's so beautiful. But when you actually have to make the decision to buy it and put it in your house, then you're like, but do I really love it? I ordered a couch from West Elm, but I was actually super disappointed because I ordered it 2 months ago and they just contacted me saying that the fabric that I ordered is no longer manufactured. It was such a frustrating message because at what point did you realize the fabric was out of stock? When I ordered it and you still went through with the order, or 2 months later when you, like, did you have people overbuy a certain fabric? Like, I don't know. I feel like for a brand like that, you should have better customer service, because I also ordered a banquet because I'm doing banquet seating for the kitchen from Interior Define, and they are so much better. Like, their design team went through the process with me. I ordered swatches. I found my material. We did the sizing. We did the measurement. And even if I didn't like a swatch, they would like go over with me and make sure like I loved it in all the different lighting and stuff like that. And I feel like that's how it should be when you order like custom furniture. But so I don't know if I'm just gonna go back to West Elm, because I really did love that couch. So I don't know if I'm just gonna go back and just order in the fabric that they have available and then wait another month, or find another website. I really want something that I'm not gonna have to replace in a couple years. All right, we're taking a break from shopping. My sister is visiting me, so we're gonna have a glass of wine. Update: eating leftover sushi. My sister left, by the way, for the night. The one thing I didn't get to do is work on Notion. All of the clips previous to this have been edited. I am on it, okay? I am on it. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.